To play music saved on a compatible iPod through the Deluxe Audio system, connect the iPod to the vehicle's USB jack with the appropriate cable. The USB icon will appear on the Toyota Audio System display, and all control of the iPod will automatically be transferred to the vehicle. If not currently selected as the audio source, push the aux button up to 3 times until you see iPod at the top of the display. Audio will begin to play automatically, and the display will show the title of the selection both at the top and in the center of the screen. Push the text button repeatedly to cycle through the information available for the selection playing. At the right side of the display, just below the USB icon, you'll see the track number and the total number of tracks in that category. Notice at the bottom of the screen, selected multi-purpose buttons have been labeled as List, Browse, RPT, and RDM. Pushing the List button takes you to the iPod List screen. Here you see the selection playing in large letters next to an arrow. You can scroll through the selections available with the Tune Scroll knob or by pushing the Seek Track button up or down. The selection highlighted will automatically start to play after a short pause. Pushing the Browse button takes you to the iPod Browse screen and changes the labels above the multi-purpose buttons. Here you can browse by playlist, artist, album, genre, songs, podcasts, composers, and audiobooks. Pushing the More button on this page takes you back to the first page of categories. Playlists are folders or groupings you can use to organize your selections. To browse your playlists, push the P-List button. Scroll through the playlists the same way we scrolled through songs earlier. Choose a selection by pushing the Tune Scroll knob or by pushing the Home button. The name of the playlist will be noted at the top of the screen, and the system will play only the songs on that playlist. Push the Browse button for another category. If you want to browse by artist, push the Artist button. When you select an individual artist, the system will only play the songs by that artist. You can also browse by album and choose from the list of album titles. After selecting one, the system will only play songs from that album. The system also allows you to search by genre or specific types of music. And the Songs category lists all the songs stored on the iPod in alphabetical order, without regard to the album, artist, or category. After pushing any of the Browse category buttons, you can always return to the main iPod Browse screen by pushing the Browse button again, or back arrow button. The podcasts, composers, and audiobooks categories all work the same way. To return to the selection being played, push the More button, then push the back arrow button.